We're looking at the desktop version of the employee dashboard, configured for the performance pay system. Here, employees see the information needed to prosper as a beauty therapist, hairdresser, or barber. Starting with the service sales targets, they're personal to each team member and dynamic to the hours worked for the period. The individual target can be found under the personal bonus column. Toggle between to date for the targets from the first day of the period to the current day, or view the whole work period. There are 3 bonuses available: personal, performance, and super bonuses. The personal bonus is paid for achieving the target for the period and is a fixed value. Once the target has been achieved, the performance bonus kicks in and is a percentage of service income above the personal target. The next target is for super bonus. Super bonus is a fixed sum paid on achieving the super bonus target. Bonuses are paid as part of payroll, and once achieved, all 3 bonuses will be paid together, meaning for team members who work smart and maximize every client opportunity, they will easily increase their earning potential. This is demonstrated in the bonus breakdown and in the year-to-date bonus breakdown reports. This information should help you achieve your personal goals.